morning. Boy, it's a beautiful day out here on the island on my stress-free ride to work. I think I'm going to listen to a little bit of Kingfish again, White Kingfish. I think the episode's coming on right now. Let's see what it says. Hello there. This is Fukushima Export Company. Yeah, this is Buford T. Whitefish down here at Jasper County, Mississippi. Here's Ken Lai. I'd like to speak with Ken Lai, please. Ken Lai, how you doing, boy? Yeah, I got that dirt, and it's being delivered today. Everybody's happy. Everybody's happy. They're getting the dirt for cheap. They're filling in the swampy ground for the school, and they want to order 27 more barges. Hell yeah, it's a good day. Making money hand over fist. Now, I appreciate what y'all did, sending those old boys down from New York now to take care of those protesting hippies that's been protesting in front of my store. They're saying it's radioactive. They can't even go in there, so radioactive. Hell, they don't know what the hell they're talking about. Radioactivity. Now, but you sent those old boys down from New York, and I gotta tell you, it was like that Freddie Hendrix song, Kung Fu Fighting. Except for the hippies, they weren't Kung Fu fighting, they just be getting Kung Fu hit in the head. And they come out there, they got out the van, they beat the shit out of them, and then they put him in the van, and I haven't seen hide nor hell those boys since that happened. So I gotta tell you, I'm indebted to you, but not financially. Just, you know, I give you a big thank you, you know what I mean? Maybe a hug if y'all came over here. Now, I also got this electronic equipment y'all sent me, and I don't know what it is. It's, I mean, what you call these things again? Geiger counters. And now they're guaranteed not to show radiation because y'all fixed them, right? Y'all fixed them so they won't show any radiation. So I put one right in my stove so people know there ain't no radiation in there. And when they check the dirt, man, what you give them the ones that got what do you call the thing? Geiger counter, and they ain't gonna show no radiation. That's my kind of electronic equipment. Shit that does what you want it to do. Yeah, and 27 more barges. You gonna send some free pork? Yeah. And yeah, don't forget the jaws and the balls and the feet. That's the best thing over here. Yep, and some sweet and sour sauce. Sweet and sour sauce. That's a good shit there. Yep. All right, can't lie. I'll be talking to you later, bro. Out. Andy, get your ass in here. Yeah, Kingfish, what's going on? Well, you know something? Bringing some more dirt down to the docks. Now I want you to get your ass on down there and make sure it's delivered to the school district. Because they want some more field dirt, you know, filling these swampy areas at the playground for the kids. Build a big old playground and a baseball field. Gotta have plenty of dirt. Yep, and it's clean. It's clean dirt. Yep. And I tell you what, Andy, you've been a friend for a long time. You've been a very good friend. Well, I fathered 3 of your children, and you've been very good to me, Andy. So I'm gonna give you a raise. A raise? Kingfish, you ain't never gave nobody a raise. Hell, you barely even pay us. Well, I'm gonna give you $1.25 a week. $1.25. That's almost enough to buy a Pepsi. Which is $2 in my store. But it's only still around for 50 miles, so you only get a choice. But, Andy, I'm also gonna forgive that debt. Oh, you mean the time we made that bet? And I lost? Now I owe you everything I own for the rest of my life? Yep, that's right, Eddie. You don't owe me anymore. And I'll give you a raise, $1.25 a week. And, of course, you know, you're gonna have to do a little more work around here, you know what I mean? You're gonna be running the store a lot more often, and you're gonna be handling a lot of money, because, you know, I'm kind of sensitive to that radiation. I mean, it's not bad for everybody, and it really doesn't harm people, because you can't see it, can't smell it, can't taste it, shit. But, you know, it's something that I just don't want to be around, because, you know, I got political aspirations, and I can't be going to office, them thinking that I'm, you know, got this stuff inside me, you know, I gotta be pure. So I want you all to be running the store, and I'm gonna trust you, Andy. And like I said, you've been a friend for a long time. I fathered 3 of your kids, and I'll be sending them to college one day once I'm governor of the state. Not only that, Andy, once I'm governor, we're gonna be taking tons of field dirt from Japan, because you know what? We're gonna fill this whole state of Mississippi, gonna be filled in with Japanese dirt. Clean dirt. That's some clean dirt up there. Yeah, our dirt down here is dirty, but the dirt up there is clean. Okay, Kingfish. Well, I'll be taking care of the store for you, and I even get your daughters down here. Nope, it's my daughter. Not my daughters. Those are your daughters, but they're fathered by me, but they're your daughters. Okay, Andy. And they'll be working here hard at the store. And we have these Geiger counters, and we'll turn them on to prove to people that there is no radiation in here. Andy, you're a good man. I'll be talking to you later. Goodbye now. Duck out.